Hi guys, this is Miles and welcome to my channel. Today, we will cook pork, broccoli, and French green beans stir fry. And for our ingredients, we will need 1 kilogram of pork cut into strips. And then we have here broccoli flowers and stems. Yes, if you haven't tried to include broccoli stems on your meals, well, you should, because it has the same exact amount of vitamins and minerals as the broccoli flowers. We will also need about 100 grams of French green beans. If you don't have French green beans, you can use Baguio beans. We will also need 1 medium onion, 6 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1½ tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. We will also need 3 tablespoons of flour and cornstarch slurry. This is 1 tablespoon of cornstarch dissolved in 1/2 cup of water. We'll start cooking by coating the meat with flour, salt and pepper, and baking soda. Baking soda here acts as our tenderizer. If you happen to be watching this video by chance, I am inviting you to please support my channel. Please do like this video and subscribe. You can also click the notification button so that you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. And now we will proceed by putting your stove into medium heat, add a little oil, and then we'll start stir frying our pork. Make sure all sides are golden brown. After we're done with the pork, we will now start to saute our onions and garlic. Once onion and garlic are caramelized, we can now add the pork, toss it a little, and then add 1 cup of water. Bring it to boil, then add soy sauce, sugar, and oyster sauce. After a while, we can now add the vegetables. We will start with the broccoli, and then after we will add the French green beans. This is also known as kidney beans. After, we will season this with the remaining salt and pepper. Give it a little stir. And then, we will cover this and let the vegetable cook for 15 minutes. At this point, we can now add the cornstarch slurry. Once done, we will finish this with roasted sesame seeds. This will give an added nutty flavor to our dish. Again, if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and like this video. I hope you like this dish. Thank you for watching. Bye!